Hello, and welcome to our new build. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video here on Calvin's Garage channel. I am Calvin, and if you guys have not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below, guys, and hit that notification icon to get those videos. I guess to get notified of the videos is what I'm trying to say. Today, guys, we are going to be introducing a new build, and yes, our garage is full of Nissans, and I love it that way. However, always welcome for you know, new guys to pop in. We got a Fiero over there, not mine. And I must also just say right off the bat, guys, this is not mine as well. This is a buddy of mine's car that we're gonna be doing a quick heart transplant in. It is Sunday, April 15th today. So just to give you guys a general idea as to where we are. So like the main purpose of this build, it's gonna be like a track car. So full out track car. It already has a cage in it, which is awesome. Actually, I'll show you guys. Let's take a walk around this thing right quick. All right, so guys, oh wow, yeah, that definitely sticks out right there. That right there is a Precision 67, 68. We were actually gonna go ahead and turbo this motor, guys. This was gonna be like a full out, pretty crazy turbo build, like for 700 horsepower. The motor that's going in it is built. It's not this motor, obviously, but we're waiting on it still. It should be here soon, hopefully. But this is for sale, guys, so please, any of you guys out there are interested, hopefully, I don't know when this video goes up, but it's for sale. Please message me. It's brand new. It's never been ran on a car. Ball bearing T4 0.96 AR. Brand new price, guys, is $2,500. Only asking $2 grand. So please, if anyone out there could buy it, it would really help me out. Also selling intercooler, and then also, guys, this whole turbo kit is for sale. This is a custom location, single turbo kit for a Z32. Headers are already made up. Up pipe is made. Down pipe is it ends right there, so you will still need some fab work. And obviously, there's a lot. It's just tacked all together, guys. So if you need it to be all welded up, you know, all tacked up. So it's kind of all the R&D has been done. The hard stuff has been done. So please get in contact with me again if it's still available. One thing that is gonna be pretty cool is this thing is gonna be spraying some nitrous. So we are gonna hook up some nitrous to this thing. It'll be pretty sweet. Yeah, man, this is a 90 Z32 300ZX Nissan, obviously. This is a 90 Z32 300ZX, 98 240SX, 90 240SX, and all these three cars are actually the same color. Well, obviously, clearly this one now isn't, but it was AH3. Under that vinyl wrap is AH3. So first things first, we're gonna yank off, as much as I don't want to, all the turbo stuff has gotta come out. I'm actually gonna wear gloves this time. I think a lot of you might be happy, including my mother. So shout out to you, Mom. It's just hard, man. It's hard. I'm not a good glove guy. Like, see, I can't even feel this bolt right now. Woo, man, look at this. That's nice. Look at that, man. Look at that. That's just that is a nice turbo right there. You know what I'm saying? Someone please buy it. Please. Ooh, look at this! This is the up pipe. Now, this right here probably took my buddy so long to make. Nitrous. This will be fun later. That was easy. Oh, look at the garage right now. Woohoo! Alright, I'm gonna take, wait. How does this come out? so the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do, since now we have the motor out of here, we're not really doing much with all this kind of stuff in here. It's basically gonna stay how it is. Obviously just like the wiring harness of the motor and stuff like that, nitrous lines. So we're just gonna go ahead and give a quick wipe down, guys. So just to, you know, clean it up just a little bit, see what we can do. I mean, look at the difference. Do you guys see this? Look at that. And look at that, dude. Come on. Come on. Can't argue with that. Love the details. Even a non-painted bay, well, factory painted bay that's 30 years old, can still look pretty decent, man. Look at that, man. Woo, man, this is looking real good, man. And compared to what it looked like, this thing looks killer. So as for progress, guys, I'm pretty stoked. Motor came out awesome. Engine bay cleaned up a little bit because we're not going crazy. We're not painting the engine bay or anything like that. This is a track car, kind of no need for any fancy stuff, really. So it's gonna be cool though. I'm super excited for this build though, man. It's gonna be pretty sweet. Oh, by the way, the motor, I guess we'll wait for the motor. You guys will see what's coming. What do we have here? What is this thing? What is this? Yes. All right, guys, welcome back. So we are, I don't know, this is weeks and weeks after we started with the build. Now we just got our hands on the built VG that's going in the 300. It's right here in front of us. Now we just have a few things to kind of swap over. I'm just gonna go ahead and get the oil pan on, guys, and seal up the bottom end. We gotta get the oil pickup on as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually rob the oil pickup off of this guy. Because the one that was off of this motor is just a little bit gunked up, so we want to go ahead and get a new one. I'm probably gonna get my sunglasses on because it is super sunny out. It is gorgeous out this morning. This car is looking great. So this is basically the parts motor. It's just a mock-up guy. There's a lot of, you know, there's a lot of things missing. So we're just using it as kind of like a parts guy. This is the hefty honcho here. Alright, so a little progress update. Sorry, I got a little carried away. Put the oil pump on. We got a new one here. There's just 4 well, I guess 6mm bolts technically. And then there's these two big ones here which are not used until we put like the alternator and stuff like that, those brackets on. We do have to go ahead and put the new crank, or I guess whatever you want to call it, the crank gear thing back on. We got a really fancy high capacity oil pan. As you guys can see, it's got like this huge extra, and it's got a bunch of baffles in here, so we got that on there. However, it's not on because we need to wait for a new rear main seal to come in the mail, so that way we can go ahead and kind of button up the bottom side of the motor. And we'll go ahead and flip it around. Hopefully get a clutch here for this thing here soon. That way we can kind of just jam it in the car. We still gotta put like the lifters in and stuff like that, the cams, the timing belt and all that kind of stuff. Alright, what's up guys? So this is now multiple days and days later. We've been waiting on some parts to come in the mail, and they're here. So we got pretty much everything ready to be sealed up as far as the oil pan goes. There's a couple little like seals that go on the front and the rear of the motor. We have a new rear main seal in, and now only thing left to do is to break out the RTV and just cover this whole line, get ourselves a real nice, well, I'll put on the pan, get ourselves a real nice bead of silicone on there and go ahead and seal this thing up. Alright, got ourselves a nice bead all around the rim. Let's go ahead and toss it on. so as you guys can see, all bolted up. Done deal. Alright, so quick little update. Sorry I had to charge the battery in the camera here. So basically what I did in the time being, I ripped apart this motor a little bit. Intake manifold, upper intake manifold is there, lower one is there. We're not using this one. We actually have a nice ported one that we're putting on the car. The reason why I need to take all that stuff off is to get to this little guy, which is like the thermostat housing, which then actually goes on to here. So it's funny, I cleaned it all up, made it look all nice and new again. Unfortunately, well, luckily we were able to put it on because you're actually supposed to put this on before you put the heads on, because the one bolt in here, guys, is such a pain to get to. That took me probably about 20 minutes just on that one bolt just to get that in. But we got it good to go. I have the rear pipe hooked up. However, the rear like flange part of it's all messed up, so we're gonna try and source a new one. Water pump is bolted on, and yeah, so actually now we're gonna go ahead and toss on the lower plenum, toss on some gaskets, and let's go ahead and pop this thing on. Alright, well, my fault. I did not even film an outro for this video. However, this is like weeks later, and obviously, if you guys have been keeping up to date on the channel, you guys would know that we are no longer in that shop anymore. So, things have changed a little bit. However, I'm going to try and be a little bit more kind of up to date and current with the content. I'm going to try and maybe even do like daily things. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this first kind of episode. A lot went on, but I just kind of want to maybe hopefully get this kind of series over with as soon as possible. The car is not almost done, but we're getting very, very close. So, you know, thank you again for all the support, man. It's been super cool. The past few weeks have been super chaotic and pretty damn stressful, but it's all right. You know, everything happens for a reason. You know, we will move on to bigger and better things. Hopefully, be out of this place here again by the end of June. So hopefully things start to pick up again with YouTube and stuff like that. So if everything works out, man, this year is going to be amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching, man. I'm out of here. See you guys in the next one. I don't really know exactly what's coming up next for you guys, but I have a lot of stuff on the plate right now and a lot of content coming up. So I'll see you guys today, or I'll see you guys tomorrow or the next day, and have a good night. Later. Peace.